Be honest. How many of you have ever tried to set up a friend on a blind date? Doesn't matter how well you know them, you know you have to advertise their best features. Well, guys, that's exactly the same you gotta do to market your rental property. Hey, smart investors, I'm Amit Grover from ECMP Studios. Today, we're diving into the art of marketing your rental properties effectively. Just like dating, it's all about putting your best foot forward and making a memorable first impression. If you think posting a for rent sign is enough, you might end up waiting longer than someone trying to find a soulmate on a deserted island. Marketing strategies for landlords have evolved dramatically. It's no longer just about listing your property. It's about making your property stand out in a saturated market. Think of it as creating a dating profile for your property. What are its best features? Is it the cozy fireplace, the pet-friendly backyard, or the walking distance to hip cafes? Highlighting these unique qualities can attract the right tenants quickly. Effective marketing also involves high-quality photos and virtual tours. Imagine trying to woo a date with a blurry photo from the early 2000s. No one's swiping right on that. The same goes for your property. Professional photos and a virtual tour can give potential tenants a real feel of the place, significantly increasing the chances of them falling in love at first sight. Social media and online listings play a huge role today. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and real estate websites are the new matchmakers. They connect your property to potential tenants across the city or even across the globe. Engaging posts and targeted ads can reach demographics you never thought possible, much like online dating apps that find your matches based on your preference. Now, think about the last time you saw a property listing and thought, wow, I wished I owned that. That's a reaction you want. Creating compelling listings involves not just the facts about your property, but also selling the lifestyle it offers. Does it promise serene mornings with nearby parks or vibrant evenings with local entertainment options? Sell the experience, not just the space. Got questions on how to craft these marketing strategies? Or would you like to discuss your success stories? Comment below. We would love to hear from you. Now, stay tuned for our next episode where we will delve into understanding lease agreements from a landlord's perspective. If marketing gets them through the door, the lease agreement keeps them there. And remember, if you need personalized advice or have more questions, reach out to us at ECMP. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Let's take